Okay, we got cereal. Together right here.
50.
We got 50. 100. 100.
200.
250.
$200 real money. 300.
real money.
200.
300. 400.
I got 360.
360. I got 460. $400 over here.
I got 5.
Some serious
Over
shit.
here. Go here. 550.
I got
550. 550. $600 over here. 620. 620 over here. 640. $900. Yay! Going once, going twice. Sold to this one right here.
Yay! We need cereal.
$900. You sold this one.
What's next? Oh, wait.
Oreos.
100.
100.
200. 300. 400. 500. 600.
There goes Savannah and Ty. $700 for some cookies. Ty! Ty! She is not paying attention.
You diabetic people? We're going to start bidding at $50, $10.
100.
Go here, 50, 100, not 100. 120. 120 over here. $200.
That's all she had to say. I'm a diabetic and she got it.
Here we go. Wait for oatmeal.
Everybody's waiting for that rice over there.
$50 over here. $57. $400.
Okay.
Okay, here we go. We got soup and crackers. Diabetic people, it's good for a cold day. We will start beating at $50. 100. You got 100? 150. 200. Chicken. We have $200.
220. 220.
We have 250.
Okay, 300.
300. 310. 350. 350. Somebody think 350 going once. 360. 360. $400.
We can have it.
$500. $600 going once. Going twice. Sold to Here we go. Case of water, case of water. Case of water, we'll start bids at $20. $20, are you 20? Are you 20? I got $100.
Give it to the baby.
200. I got 200 right here. Are you 250? 250. 250 going twice, sold to others.
Quay Kelly Coupe Amber.
Okay, ladies and gentlemen, we come to our final raffle. This is going to feed the family for the next 2 months.
All your money.
Here. We are going to start the raffle for this guy off.
Oi.
Listen, we are going to start. In order for you to play this guy right here, you need to show me that you have at least $400 Santa dollars.
Right here. I have 900.
$900.
I got another.
Got 1,000. I got
2,000.
You got 1,000. That's what I got once. I got $2,000. $2,000 over here. $2,000. Going once. Going twice. $2,000.
Get Darius.
Sold to Darius.
Wow.
Rice inside me. Okay, everybody, please have a seat.
Everybody. We got one more raffle. It's a $50 Visa credit card. Get your tickets out. Everybody get your tickets. It's the last raffle. The last raffle. Get your tickets out. Hello?
Okay, here we go, last raffle, $50.
$50 Visa credit card.
Visa credit card for $50.
Me too. Where is my raffle tickets?
And the winner is
582786. Woo!
Woo! She's stupid.
and the winner is Ty. Everybody in your family won. Okay, if we could just take your seats, please. Everybody take your seats real quick. We're going to get out of here. Holly, all the kids get their gifts.